Mitro and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps. South Asia Maps is your intellectual Chatriya's channel, an education channel. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. Mitronam, we are looking at our Telangana series. This is part 4. Part 4 of Telangana series. The topic of today's discussion is Nalgonda Plains or Nalgonda Plains region, which is the excuse me, geographic region of Telangana province of Dakshinapata, Bharat. We delineated before round about 22 or so geographic regions or physiographic regions, that is the physical geography, how the land looks like, the topography, the rivers, mountains, valleys, water bodies, and so on. In part 1, you can look at it a broader view of all those. Today we are talking about this second part of this called Nalgonda Plain. Previously we looked at Golconda Plateau region. Now we are looking at excuse me, Nalgonda Peneplain region. That's the Nalgonda Plains as a part 4 of our series. Yeah, this series we started so that the audience will have a deeper understanding of Telangana province, the land of Rajashri Ganapati Deva of Kakatiya Empire. Now we are in part 4, that is the Nalgonda Peneplain region. And Mitronam, you are aware that we have your education channel at YouTube channel South Asia Maps J. Reddy, and I already posted as of 2024 March 511 fascinating series for you, all made immaculately so that audience can take advantage of my extensive research, which I wanted to share with you on diverse topics of Indology, human ecology, and so on. That is JRD at South Asia Maps. You can look at it. Nalgonda Plains Peneplain. Sometimes some maps will show as a peneplain. Peneplain is almost a plain. In contrast to the plateau, you have plain is pure plain, then peneplain, nearly plain. They have plateau. This is the plateau. This is the peneplain or plain regions named after important, significant urban area there, Nalgonda peneplains. Here the prominent landmarks. I will show you other map also. After this, we will see the real maps, different maps, so that these points will be very easily etched into the mind of audience. The This is the western side is the Golconda Plateau, of course. This is the Sri Salem Plateau, and you have Yaramala Ranges here, Palnadu Basin here, then Vinukonda Hilly region and Gundlakama Basin here, Guntur Plains here. So Dindi River is one side and Paleru River is the other side. These are the traditional demarcations of Nalgonda Peneplain region or Nalgonda plain region. And we have the center Halia River that joins Krishna River. There is a Pedavagu River. There are many rivers named Pedavagu in Telangana, one in Mahabubnagar district. When I talk about district, I'll be talking about the historical districts of 1980s. Keep in mind, that is southern Pedavagu. Northern Pedavagu joins Pranahita River, which is a tributary of Godavari. That is eastern part of historical Telangana district. That is the now called Sirpur district or Manchiryal district or Komarambim districts and so on. So Halia River, Pedavagu directly discharges now major Jalasaya, Nagarjuna Sagar Jalasaya. So this is the Isha River, Musi River. Of course, it's a tributary, Aleru River, and Suryapet will be somewhere here. It discharges into Krishna at Wazirabad. So these are the broader geographical. Warangal Plain is further eastern side, Khammam Plain further eastern side of this across the Paleru River. These are the physiographic boundaries excuse me, of the Nalagonda Plains region or Nalgonda Plateau region. So we broadly covered the borders. Here the western side Golconda Plateau, northeastern side is the Paleru River, southwest border is the Dindi River, and the west side is the Golconda Plateau. The Golconda Plateau easternmost part is called Rajamallu region or Rachakondalu region. That is the like Film Nagar and all those areas and so on. Southern part is the Palnadu River, Krishna River, Nagarjuna Plateau, Guntur Plains and so on. So what are the important areas that are covered? The Devarakonda region, Miryalaguda and Huzur Nagar and Kodad and Suryapeta, Tungaturti, Nakrekal, Munugodu, Bongir, Bhuvanagiri Basin and so on. So these are the rivers. The Dindi River, Pedavagu, Haliya River. Haliya River is sometimes called Kangal River, and Musi and Aleru rivers and Paleru rivers. These are the important regions. You can see this. So we are looking at the Nalgonda Plateau region. This is a plains region. This is the Golconda Plains. Because the Golconda Plateau, all the river, they drain towards the east side. So you can see the Musi River here. Musi River, this is the Asiri. Isa River, Musi River goes to Bagnagar. And you can see the Musi River one part. At Wazirabad, it joins the Krishna River. The border of the Nalgonda, of course, Nalgonda Plain, peneplain merges comfortably with the Khammam peneplain or Warangal, but a broader demarcation is the Paleru River. So the Paleru River that joins the Krishna River near a place called Jagayapeta. That is actually in the Krishna district or Kista district of Sarkar region or Coromandel region or Cholamandal region of Simandra province. So that is the Paleru River here. Paleru River. Sometimes the spelling may vary, Paleru or Paler. So just you keep that in mind. So this is the dam was built near Nagar. This is the Nagarjuna Plateau here, and Vijayapur is a very big. This is not the Dindi doesn't discharge into Nagarjuna Sagar directly. This is actually Dindi River. That's the border between the traditional Mahabubnagar district, that is the Palamuru district, and Nalagonda district. Now this area comes under Nagar Karnool area. So this is actually Pedavagu. This is the Pedavagu river. Dindi should be here. Sometimes there can be mistakes in the map. And so this is the Kanagal river. That Kanagal river is also called Halia rivers. The Kanagal river. Here I will expand this little bit so that audience will have. So the Dindi river here, and this is the Pedavagu that discharges directly now into the enlarged Jalashaya, Nagarjuna Sagar Jalashayam. Kanagal is the Halia river, and Kanagal, and you can see the Musi river. Suryapeta town will be somewhere here, the Paleru river here. So this is the Pulichintala, the reservoir here somewhere. That is the Pulichintala reservoir. This is the Huzur Nagar area. That is different from Huzurabad, that is in the Karimnagar area. So this is the panhandle region. You can hold the entire Telangana panhandle with this one. Also with the Madura panhandle. I talked about the panhandles somewhere. You can look at it in the appropriate playlist at our website. So that is, and I will go over this, the political divisions. So you can see the Paleru River demarcation here exactly. The Paleru River goes to Jagaipeta and joins here Krishna River here. This is the Krishna River border, the traditional border between the southern Vijayanagara emperors and the northern Bahamani Islamic rule. And you can see Devarakonda and Nampally, the Dindi River. This is the Dindi River, this is the Paleru River. So, and you can see the Miryalaguda and Nalgonda and Chandur, and northern part, this is the Golakonda Plateau. So it's Yadagiri Guttar, Yadgir and Bongir or Bhuvanagiri areas. Tungaturti and Ramanapeta and Nakrekal and Kodad region. So this is the political map you can see. And let's see, sorry. So this is the now the historical districts. So now after 2016 or so, Many districts were carved out of 10 or 11. Now there are around about 33. The Nalgonda district, Suryapet district, and Yadagiri district. So these are the broader historical Nalgonda Plain or Nalgonda Peneplain region. And Nalgonda Peneplain region. Yeah, we can go and look at the actual map so that you will have a better understanding of that. So the historical map. So this is the Nalgonda region. No, we don't need this one. So this is the Nalgonda region, Nalgonda Peneplain. So what is I will show the three-dimensional view so that you'll have a better idea. Let's go to this area. You see the see, you go to Hyderabad, what is the height? Remember 555. The Golconda Fort may be 555. Let's put there how much you have 546. That's reasonably good. So you can say around about 500 meters or so mean sea level MSL is the Hyderabad Bhaginagar city. That is almost half of the Tirumala shrine. Tirumala shrine is actually around about 950 or so. We can make it around about 1000 or 1 kilometers mean sea level, same as Bangalore on the Bengaluru plateau. So 555, if you remember Hyderabad, you will not be go wrong. So this is the plateau. So Peneplain, let's say put our pointer here, how much? 120 meters or so. And you can see now the dam is itself constructed around about 160. And Chittial here, how much? Around about 900. Nalgonda town itself, round about. This it slopes. So round about 500 to you get almost end of the plane is 100. You can see a greater drop. That's why all the rivers that drain to this area. So what are the rivers? You can also see. We always remember the landmarks. This is the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam Reservoir. So this is the Pedavagu drains into this. This is the Pedavagu. Pedavagu drains that. It is the Dindi River. Dindi River doesn't directly drain into Nagarjuna Sagar. It drains into Krishna. So that's the Dindi River. So you can see the Suryapeta is actually in the Musi River. So Musi River drains near Wazirabad into Krishna River. And you can see the Jagayapeta will be somewhere here. So there is the Palere River. You can see the Palere River. This is the Kanagal River or Halia River. You can see that one too. Let's see the different perspective. You can see now you can see the Palnadu Basin. Krishna River is the traditional boundary. This remember Pulichintala project. Remember Nagarjuna Sagar project. Southern part of Nallagunda. Now the new railway line from Guntur to Miryalaguda, Nalagonda to Bongiri area, Bibi Nagar, and goes to Hyderabad. There's a new railway line built here. You can very clearly see the different perspective. You can see the perspective of the Nalagonda Plains, Nalagonda Pene Plains, and sometimes we can see in certain perspective the river. So you can see this the where are the rivers. So this is the Munner. This is the Munner river. That's different. This is the Palero river, and this is the Musi river. This is the Musi river. This is the Palero river. This is the Pulichintala project. This is the Dindi river, Pedavagu river, Kanagal Halia river here. So this is the actually southern portion is the Palnadu basin that we will cover in some other presentation. So here again, you have to remember the landmarks. This is the falling rain. So Nagarjuna Sagar Reservoir, Pulichintala Reservoir. This is the Vinukonda Mountains and Palnadu Basin here. So this is the Dindi River. You can see Dindi River comes in the Shadnagar area of Mahabub Nagar, Palamuru district. So Nagarjuna Sagar. You can see this is the Musi River. This is the Musi River, and this is the Paleru River. This is the Paleru River. This is the Muneru River that is comes into the Khammam plain region. This is the Musi River. This is the Halia River, Kanagal River. So this is the Pedavagu. You can see Pedavagu discharges directly into Nagarjuna Sagar Reservoir. So this is the Dindi River. You can see this is the Peneplain. This area is around about 60 or 70 meters. You can see the Musi, a dam on the Musi River. You can see the Musi River. So this should is the Hyderabad, that area, the Isa River and Mosi River. So you don't see that clearly there, and Haliva rivers, and you can see the broader perspective again. You can see the Golconda Plateau this side and merges with the Pannadu Basin here, Warangalu Peneplain and Khammam Peneplain, border being Nagarjuna Sagar, Pulichintala, and you can see the Dindi River and Paleru River. Paleru River, Dindi River here, Paleru River here. So this is the, we don't need to see this one. Yeah, this one again, we have already seen. That's how the Nalgonda Plain or Nalgonda Peneplain we talked about. And if you have not looked at it, I have mentioned all the 22 geographic regions. That is a broader bird's eye view, part 1. You can look at it. And today we have taken up this Nalgonda Peneplain, part 2. Mitram and Bandhuvam, and thank you very much for joining me today. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps. And if you like the channel, please bring it to the notice of your friends. And also, I love to see your comments or suggestions. See you later.